Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I plucked, bleached, and installed this unit that I just did an initial review on from Amazon.com. Alright, so there's a few things we need to address. All of this is hair dye, black, brown, blonde, blue from a blue unit. It's ugly and dusty. I know, I'm so sorry. I'm really ashamed because I wasn't putting anything over it to cover it when I was dyeing my units at first. And my knots didn't really bleach that well. I think I was being impatient and I didn't wait long enough. So I'm gonna actually pluck it now that I've already washed it and conditioned it. But I'm just gonna pluck it and probably go in and bleach the hair again. And I'm gonna show you guys that process. I hold down and I pull. And I just kind of do this. It's way easier for me after I bleach because the root is weaker, but it looks like after I did a little bit of plucking and I did a little bit of the middle, just a little bit, and I'm gonna show you the other side so you can just see. So I don't want to over pluck because I feel like if I over pluck then it could get a little messy, but I'm probably just going to pluck just a tiny bit more right here. So I've started using the violet colored powder just because I feel like it gets the color I want quick. I use a 20 developer on my frontal, and then I just have a paper plate because that's where I'm going to mix it on, and I have my measuring cup. Usually make sure my mixture is a thick consistency like a toothpaste, but it was a little too thick, so I had to go back and add a little bit more developer. But I use a butter knife when spreading it onto my lace because that helps, and it just firmly presses the mixture onto the knots and not through to the actual hair. We up on the other side, acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, acting like I died. They won't be expecting when Capo go to slide, cause I told him that. Why don't we play something these pros are like? Dry whips, I know they like. Twister, you told her right. I can make you a celebrity overnight. Give you ice like Kobe, right? We sorta like Goldie, right? The way we mold them, right? I can make you a celebrity. I've been having some technical difficulties with my bald cap, and I'm actually trying to do this in a certain time period, so I might just look how nice this looks though, other than the, see, you can see the bald cap popping through. No, I don't like that. I might just take some water and just do it without the cap. I'm actually going to take my bald cap off since it's so messed up underneath, and a lot more over here, but I'm not going to stress it right now. And this side over here is doing something completely different. All right, I think that's good. I'm going to spray in the middle and then I'm going to cut later. So this is just how I do it. I know it's not, there's no rhyme or reason. I'm just going for it, which is not good. Don't be like me. Have some type of routine about yourself. And then I just push it back like that. spray this side down, and then I'll show you guys when it's done. But this is basically what's gonna look like. I just gotta cut it, and here it is. This is really cute though. Honestly, this is a really cute wig. Kind of do it. I don't recommend, you can always use a razor instead. I'm just doing this because I don't have my razor on me, my eyebrow razor that I usually use, so I'm just using my scissors instead. A little bit of alcohol, but I only use 50% because I'm not trying to burn, like I'm not trying to be super harsh on my skin.
Something about the way that you look at me is telling me all that you want to say before you even speak.
This looks really good. Now, I do have a hot comb, and I'm not the little cute plug-in hot combs. I have the real deal, like you put it in the little oven thing hot combs from back in the day, but I don't feel like dealing with the hot comb, so I'm gonna deal with one of the curling tools. You can see the, I don't know if y'all can see that. You see the steam coming off? Girl, and if I would have just put that on my head, it would have been a wrap. I want to get the electric one because this is dangerous as heck. And I'm not trying to burn down anything. But, see the lace starts right here, and then I just go like that, and I'm just going to go a little bit down here. But it looks okay for right now. I'll probably go in with some makeup and help with the cast just in that area. I finally made it to the end, you guys. I did cheat a little bit and go in with a little bit of makeup just because it was giving me a gray ashy tone. But other than that, it's pretty decent. Yeah, other than that, what do you guys think? Does it look pretty okay? Did I do an okay job? Can you see it up close? What do you guys think? I could use work on this side. It's always one side that gives me a harder time than the other side. Do you guys have any tips about that? I guess just take my time, but let me know what you guys think. I think this is good enough just for what I'm doing. Just to throw it on for a couple days and take it back off and switch. But the more that I do it, I feel like the better that I'll get. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching again. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.